So this session is called Inner Discovery through Watercolors. So first, before we start, I'm going to get you to answer a question. Who has ever used watercolors before? Everybody should have a hand up. I would have pulled out beauty in watercolors, but there was a time where all I could imagine was the four walls of a hospital room. And that hospital room was right here at St. Jude. So we're going to go through this exercise of painting, and we're going to paint the flowers that you have in front of you. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to paint. This exercise is for you. It's for you to learn more about who you are, whatever experiences that you've had in your life. That's why I told you to go back to your childhood. It's going to come out on paper, and then it'll start to morph into something hopefully beautiful by the end of the session.
Wow, what an amazing experience I had yesterday with Kris doing water painting. I never thought that I would have so much fun at my age, sitting down, painting at this time, but that experience of closing my eyes and taking me back to my childhood and making me think about things that made me happy, and then taking that energy and using it with strokes of colors on a pad. It was therapeutic. And the tea, the hibiscus tea, that tea was just everything. I started with the soda, I got the tea, I never touched the soda again. We'll get the recipe, you should get it too.
So look, yesterday I had the most amazing experience. Watercolors, painting, it was just beautiful. Both first because of the story that Kris shared with us about her blood disorder and where her mindset was at that time and how she had to find peace in a different way. And we all do. We all go through different things in life where we have to find our own little room, so to speak, little room where we can talk to Jesus and Jesus can talk to us and we can put our mindset on where he wants us to be. And so she brought us into her world, which was absolutely beautiful. We had the eucalyptus, we had the roses, and we had the watercolors. And she put us back in our childhood of when I used to color, except for this last, when I was small, I had actually lines. But it was beautiful because I got to think outside of the lines. I got to think outside of the box, and I got to create something beautiful from where she has been. She brought us there. And the teas were absolutely delicious, and they smelled, we were just in a space. And that's what it was all about. It was fulfilling, it was wonderful. Follow Kris wherever she is, find out her story, and experience it on your own. Thanks.